عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome my dears grade 6 in language schools. Math is fun by شيماء سعيد. قبل ما نبدأ درسنا النهاردة اوعوا تنسوا تشتركوا في القناة وتفعلوا الجرس عشان توصلكوا جميع دروس العام الدراسي 2020. Tests on Unit 1. Choose the correct answer from the given ones. 35 to 20. Is it 7 to 5 or 5 to 4 or 7 to 4 or 5 to 7? Who can tell me? This is the ratio between 35 and 20. And we must put this ratio in the simplest form. So we will divide both terms by, well done, by 5. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. We divide both terms by 5 because 5 is the highest common factor between 35 and 20. لو عملنا factorization لل 35 وعملنا factorization لل 20 وحاولنا نجيب HCF اللي هو ال highest common factor between 35 و 20 هنلاقي ان العامل المشترك عندنا هو ال 5. هنعمل divide للboth terms للحدين دول على ال 5 للحدي النسبة. هنلاقي النسبة في أبسط صورة الريشيو اللي عندنا هتكون 7 to 4. The second question is 250 gram to half kilogram. Here we have gram and there we have kilogram. So we must convert kilogram to gram. 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. So half kilogram equals 500 grams. So the ratio now is 250 to 500. It means that the ratio is 1 to 2. Excellent. The third question is 3 and 4/7 to 3 and 8. عندنا 3 و4 على 7 إلى 3 و 2. 3 and 4/7 to 3 and 1/8. We must convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. How can we do that? Multiply 3 by 7, then add 4. Don't forget to put 7 in the denominator. 3 times 7 equals 21. 21 plus 4 equals 25/7. What about 3 and 1/8? 3 times 8 equals 24. 24 plus 1 equals 25. And don't forget to put 8 in the denominator. So we will divide 25/7 by 25/8. When we do that, we multiply 7 by 25 and 8 by 25. So this ratio in the simplest form equals, well done, 8 to 7. Now the ratio between the circumference of a circle and its diameter length equals, okay, the circumference of the circle equals 2 by r and its diameter equals 2r. 2 by r, 2r, we will divide both terms by 2r. 2 by r divided by 2r equals, well done, by. What about 2r divided by itself? 2r divided by 2r equals 1. So the ratio in the simplest form equals by 2 1. A car covered 360 kilometers in 4 hours. Then the speed of the car is, find the rate. We will divide 360 by 4. 360 divided by 4 equals, well done, 90 kilometers per hour. the ratio between 3.2 and 4.8. Firstly, we will multiply both terms by 10. So 3.2 will convert to 32 and 4.8 will convert to 48. The ratio between 3.2 and 4.8 like the ratio between 32 and 48. Then we will divide both terms by the highest common factor between them. The highest common factor, the HCF, between 32 and 48 is 16. العامل المشترك الأكبر ما بين 32 و 48 هو 16. بعد ما نعمل الفاكتورايزيشن لل 32 وبعد ما نعمل الفاكتورايزيشن لل 48 هنلاقي العامل المشترك الأكبر ما بينهم هو 16. هنقسم الحدين بتوع النسبة على 16 هنلاقي الريشيو in the simplest form في أبسط صورة 2 to 3. 2 to 3. If A to B equals 2 to 3 and B to C equals 4 to 5, then A to C equals, who can? Is it 15 to 12 or 8 to 13 or 8 to 15 or 12 to 8? Who can? Yeah, it's 8 to 15. Excellent. 12 carats to 1.25 feddan equals, you know that 1 feddan equals 24 carats. الفدان فيه 24 قيراط، علشان كده لما بحول من فدان لكاراتس نعمل times 24. So we will convert 1.25 feddan to two carats. So multiply 1.25 by 24. Now the ratio is 12 to 30. Divide both terms by 6. 12 by 6 equals 2. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. So the ratio in the simplest form equals 2 to 5. If the ratio among the measures of angles of a triangle is 2 to 3 to 4, then the measure of the greatest angle is unknown number degree. So what we are going to do is, what shall we do? First angle to second angle to third angle to sum. You know that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the triangle equals 180. So write the ratio now, 2 to 3 to 4, to the sum of these terms. 2 plus 3 equals 5, 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now, we have unknown angle here, unknown measure of the second angle and unknown measure of the third angle, and we know that the sum of the measures of angles of the triangle equals 180. So write 180 here. Now we want to know the measure of the greatest angle. So the third angle is the greatest angle. The measure of the greatest angle equals 4 times 180 and then divided them by 9. 180 divided 9 equals 20. 20 times 4 equals 80. So the measure of the greatest angle is 80 degrees. The side length of a square is 12 centimeters. Then the ratio between the side length of the square and its perimeter is 1 to 4. قبل ما ناخد سؤال كمان خلينا بس نقف هنا. السؤال ده كان حاطط فيه ال 12 دي ليه طالما انا ما استخدمتهاش؟ هو بس حب هنا يركز على مفهوم مهم جدا. سواء كان السايد لينث السكوير 12 2 6 4 5 any number، انا ما يهمنيش كل ده، انا يهمني نبقى عارفين تماما ان الريشيو ما بين السايد لينث للسكوير والبريمتر للسكوير equal 1 to 4 علشان السايدز بتاعت السكوير كلهم equal in length، والسكوير فيه 4 sides. فانا هعتبر هنا مثلا زي ما هو مديني كده السايد لينث ب 12، يبقى البريمتر لو انت حابب تحسبها هتضرب 12 ب 4، وهترجع بعد كده تقسم على الهايست كومن فاكتور between two terms، يعني هتعمل divide 12 تاني عشان توصل ل 1 to 4. هي في كل الحالات 1 to 4 ايا كان اللينث بتاع السايد، ايا كان لينث السايد للسكوير، الريشيو اللي عندنا هي 1 to 4. ده في حالة ان هو قال لك الاول between السايد لينث والبريمتر، لكن لو ذكر لك البريمتر في الاول والسايد لينث بعدين هيبقى 4 to 1. ناخد بالنا كويس جدا من ترتيب الريشيو جوه المسألة. Answer the following. The ratio between the side lengths of a triangle is 2 to 3 to 4, and the perimeter of the triangle is 72 centimeter. Find the side lengths of the triangle. Okay. هنا مديني الريشيو ما بين أطوال أضلاع التراينجل اللي هما 2 to 3 to 4، دي الريشيو. وقال لي كمان إن البريمتر للتراينجل المحيط المثلث ده 72 سنتيمتر، وعايز طول ضلع كل ضلع من أضلاع التراينجل. طيب أنا هعمل إيه؟ هنكتب الريشيو عادي جدا. first length, second length to the third length to sum. لأن ليه أنا قلت sum؟ لأن البريمتر ده عبارة عن the sum of the side lengths of the triangle. المحيط ده هو مجموع أطوال أضلاع التراينجل اللي موجودة عندنا. الريشيو عندنا عبارة عن إيه؟ 2 to 3 to 4 to 9 اللي هي the sum of the terms of the ratio. هنجمع حدود الريشيو 2 plus 3 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now write. Now we want to know the length of each side. So the length of the first side equal 2 times 72 divided by 9. 72 divided 9 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16 centimeter. The length of the second side equals 3 times 72 divided by 9. 72 divided 9 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24 centimeter. We can get the length of the third side by multiplying 4 by 72, then divided the product by 9. Or we can say 16 plus 24 equals 40. 72 minus 40 equals 32. في طريقتين للحل، ممكن تجيبها بالريشيو، وممكن كمان ان انت تجمع التو سايدز اللي انت جبتهم وتطرح مجموعهم من ال 72 اللي هي المحيط اللي موجود عندنا، البريمتر اللي عندنا. سواء حليت الخطوة الثالثة بالطريقة دي أو حليتها بطريقة الريشيو عشان تتأكد من إجابتك، في الحالتين الإجابة صحيحة. Complete. In any equilateral triangle, the ratio between the side length and its perimeter is, well done, 1 to 3. 30 months to 3 years. You know that 1 year equals 12 months. So 2 years equals 24 months. So 3 years equals 36 months. So the ratio now is 30 to 36. But we want to put the ratio in the simplest form. So divide both terms by 6. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. The rate is a ratio of two quantities with different measurement units. If A to B equals 2 to 5 and B to C equals 1 to 3, then A to B to C equals now A to B equals 2 to 5, B to C equals 1 to 3, so A to B equals 2 times 1 equals 2, 5 times 1 equals 5, 5 times 3 equals 15, so A to B to C equals 2 to 5 to 15. Amgad spends 120 pounds in 4 days. Then the rate of what Amgad spent equals Excellent. Divided 120 by 4. 120 divided by 4 equals 30 pounds per day. 3 over 8 to 2 and 4. 3 over 8 to 2 and 4 equals. Now convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. So 3 over 8 to 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9 over 4. Then convert this division operation to multiplication operation. 3 over 8, convert the division sign to multiplication sign, then get the reciprocal of 9 over 4. The reciprocal of 9 over 4 is 4 over 9. So multiply 3 by 4, 3 times 4 equals 12, 8 times 9 equals 72. We can write it in the simplest form like 1 to 6. Now we want to get the ratio between 21 meter, 140 centimeter and 0.49 meter. How can we do that? Don't forget to convert these meters to centimeter. 21 times 100 equals 2000 centimeter. Write 140 as it is and multiply 0.49 by 100 to convert meter to centimeter. You get 49. We can simplify by dividing all the terms by 7. 2100 divided by 7 equals 300. 140 divided by 7 equals 20. 49 divided by 7 equals 7. So the ratio is 300 to 20 to 7. Many thanks, my dear students. See you next lesson, inshallah, with my best wishes. Shimaa.